On today's show, we'll be talking about how to prepare your marketing plan for wave season. So if you want to increase leads, reach your ideal clients, and convert sales, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jo, a trainer at Wanderlust Social, where we help travel professionals at every stage of their journey create easy, effective, and converting marketing plans for their travel company. Now, if this is your first time here, we would love to welcome you to our community, so please drop a hi in the comments below. And if you've been here before, well, what are you waiting for? We would love for you to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when we release new information. Wave season is just around the corner. And if you haven't already started preparing for it and getting your marketing plan ready, then it's time. If you're a new travel professional, you may not know what wave season is. Wave season is typically the time between January and March where the majority of trips for the year are booked. It's a time of great influx. It's a time where your days will be very, very full. And so it's important to have your marketing plan ready to go so that it is automated. You don't have to think about it. It is completely done and you can be there and ready to take care of clients. When you're thinking about your marketing plan, especially in those first 3 months, we want to get everything automated. So be thinking about what should you be selling at that time? And we recommend thinking 6, 9 months ahead of time. So if we're talking January, February, and March, believe it or not, you are thinking about the very end of summer, those fall trips, maybe Mickey's Not So Scary in October, as well as Christmas vacations. It's not too early to start talking about wrapping experiences and putting those under the tree instead of gifts. Start making your creatives now. So go into Canva and start making what you'll need. Before you can do that, you'll need to back up though and create a plan. So you know, okay, I need 5 infographics and 3 reels, and just really figure out what you need for this month, what you're going to need for February. Put it in a calendar. You can do that on paper, or Wanderlust Social has, like, one of my very favorite things is they have a drag and drop calendar that you can put things in. But don't just think about social media. You'll want to pre-write those blogs, those emails, and have everything scheduled and ready to go. Again, automate as much as you can so you can really focus in on your clients. For those of you who are on social media, you know that the only thing constant is change. It's Mark Zuckerberg's world. We get to play on it. And truthfully, I'm very thankful because I cannot imagine if we didn't have social media and Facebook and Instagram and those things. Because could you imagine having to make a flyer and take it door to door to door and reach all of the people that you do through those platforms? So while it is change and while it is tricky, we're actually very fortunate that we have them. One of the changes that they have made is you can only schedule things 29 days in advance. And I know you're looking at me right now going, okay, so you're telling me to plan everything for January, February, and March, but you're telling me I can't actually schedule it for accept out 29 days. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm telling you. You're going to need to create a system by which you're saving captions, you're saving reels, you're saving videos. If there's trending music you want to use, create a system. There are some great products out there. I know that we use Preview. You can type in captions and copy and paste. If you, just like everything else, there's like a free version and the paid version. I really like the paid version, the high level, because I can do it from my computer because my thumbs sometimes get a little sticky, and to be able to type everything on my the keyboard on my phone sometimes doesn't work as well. That's one thing. You can also create folders in Canva. So maybe you have a folder that's stated or titled January, and you have one that's called February, and you have one that's called March, where you're putting everything. Now, if you are using our calendars for planning, here is a tip that you can take. Duplicate the page. So if you have January's calendar up and you know you need 20 social media posts, you need 2 blogs, you need 4 emails, you need 1 YouTube video, take that and duplicate the page. Then erase the calendar from page 2 down. Don't erase all of them after you've put all that work into actually creating your plan, but erase it from the other pages, create a text box, and put in there exactly what you're going to do. That way it's all fresh, it's all right there. If you are using Preview or another item like that, then put notes in there that say the words are saved in Preview. The draft of the reel is saved in Instagram. But again, create a system. That way you can put a reminder on your calendar that once a month you're going to go in and go ahead and schedule everything. Again, post natively. So if you're going to Instagram and Facebook, you're going to be doing that from Meta Business. Go into whatever it is going to be and get it scheduled. Again, that way it's completely done. It'll only take you just a little bit of time to get those things out when it is time. So that is how you are going to get ready, your marketing plan ready for wave season. Now, thankfully, you don't have to go this alone. Wanderlust Social, if you get a bundle, you'll see it has everything you need. It has 2 emails. It will have a blog. That blog can be changed to a YouTube script really easily. You'll have everything you need to market your destination or your specialty for the month. And this is going to up-level your marketing because, again, we've got captions, we've got images that you can use, you can mix and match. That is going to be fantastic. But we also, again, have those pre-written blogs and emails. It's going to up-level your marketing. You'll look more professional. And most importantly, you are going to save time, which during wave season, you've heard the phrase, time is money. That couldn't be more true than wave season. Instead of sitting down and spending hours figuring out, okay, what am I going to market in April or not April? What am I going to market in February? What am I going to market in March? You'll have everything ready. It will be on autopilot and it will be ready to go. To learn more, you can check it out at wanderlust-social.com. And you can see that you can purchase bundles a la carte, or you can get a membership. And this is where the really good things come in. You can purchase a membership that's 1 or 2 bundles a month. If you pay for this membership annually, then you will get all of the credits when you pay. Not only that, but you'll be getting the equivalent of 2 months free. That way, if you've got those credits and there are lots of things that you know you want because you're covering a wide range of things in January, February, and March, you'll have everything that you need instantly. It's going to come in as a Canva template and you'll have access to it, like I said, instantaneously. Also, we have got a really cool resource for you. If you check the program notes below, the description, we have created an item that we just want to give to you so you can experience it. Your clients are going to love it. You are going to look like a rock star. It is a downloadable PDF for your clients that talks to them about what they need to be doing before their trip. So what do they need to do 60 days in advance? What do they need to do 30 days? Things like letting the security company know that they're going to be gone, setting up appointments, because, girls, I like to get my nails done before a trip. So it reminds them of things like that. Your clients are going to be so impressed when you send this to them. So please take that. We look forward to seeing you. If you haven't joined us on our Facebook community, we'd love to see you over there also. There is all kinds of stuff, and there might even be some bonus content and things like that going on in there. We'll see you there. Have a great day.